What's going on, ZigZag? Hey, ZigZag, I can check with you too there, ZigZag. Hello, ZigZag, ModSquad in Honolulu. Back to you there, come on. Bye, ZigZag. SwitchBlade got some popcorn. I think ZigZag made some popcorn. Hello, ZigZag. Hello, hello, SwitchBlade. Hello, ZigZag. Hello, thing, man. You guys are, 3 of you rumbling in my radar, so every now and then you guys get me thrown off there. ModSquad, Honolulu, right back. Who that in the hog yard? ModSquad, right back. Hey, NoiseMaker, thank you much for getting in my radio and cleaning it out, man. It's messy, man. It's a real mess out here in Honolulu. Take your NoiseMaker, you clean out my radio from the hog, I think you said the hog yard, ModSquad, right back. Right there, NoiseMaker. You take care of that SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade, you still got condition, but that NoiseMaker be tough around the Razorback too. Take care now. You guys have a good night. ModSquad Mobile, ModSquad Mobile, right back around Honolulu. Right there, NoiseMaker, you take care, man. That SwitchBlade is right there with you, man. SwitchBlade is right there with you, man. But NoiseMaker, I think you got slight condition, man. You got slight condition on him. Take care, NoiseMaker, SwitchBlade, ModSquad in Honolulu. And you're going to hear what's going on later. ModSquad gone. Alright, got down. Bye, SwitchBlade. I heard that too. Take care from ModSquad Mobile. ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu said you're working that thing. You're working that thing. Downtown Honolulu, Hawaii. ModSquad Mobile, standing by. You're not losing nothing, SwitchBlade. Hey, SwitchBlade, you ain't losing nothing. Hey, SwitchBlade, you ain't losing nothing. You walking right through. You walking right through NoiseMaker every now and then. SwitchBlade, you guys are switching around, so you know your boat is running neck and neck there. Come on. Right there, NoiseMaker, right there, SwitchBlade. And then after that, man, I can hear a little bit of some other guys in there. If I can get that 28 when they let go, I'm going to call your name. ModSquad in Honolulu, right back. Hey, ModSquad, ain't no playing no strings, brother. Hey, ModSquad, no, I don't play no strings. I'm out there with you. Hey, ModSquad, right back, NoiseMaker. Okay, you take care, man, NoiseMaker. You guys enjoy it too around the hog yard. NoiseMaker, SwitchBlade, take care in the Magnolia, take care thing, take care ZigZag, ModSquad Mobile, right back in the mini grass. Aloha. Buy a thing, you checked into that thing. I heard you been NoiseMaker out there too though. NoiseMaker be tough, man. NoiseMaker be tough out there in a Razorback too. Take care thing, ModSquad, Honolulu. Hey, Noise, you say you ain't nothing to be played with? Hey, NoiseMaker, you said you're nothing to be played with too there. Hello, NoiseMaker, ModSquad, right back in your radio. You'll be back in a few minutes. You'll be back in a few minutes. I think you was gonna make some lemonade. I think you was gonna make some lemonade and some popcorn. I think I heard something about that earlier. ModSquad, Honolulu, read the mail. Bye, SwitchBlade. Bye. NoiseMaker said happy Daddy Day. NoiseMaker said happy Daddy Day to you guys too there. NoiseMaker with the Daddy Day wave too. ModSquad, we out. Right back, SwitchBlade, right back, NoiseMaker, man. You guys are just like stereo, man. One speaker is SwitchBlade, the other speaker is NoiseMaker. ModSquad, Mobile, Aloha. Right there, NoiseMaker, right there, SwitchBlade, man. I can't take nothing away from you guys, man. Both of you is tough. Both of you guys are tough operators. ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu. Said, when you hear the VideoGate, you're going to know what I'm talking about. ModSquad, Mobile, Hawaiian Islands. Read the mail. Right back, NoiseMaker. Right back, man. Take care, NoiseMaker. We'll check with you every now and then, see what's going on. NoiseMaker, SwitchBlade, he's going on the side and get some things done. Take care, NoiseMaker, ModSquad, Mobile. I'm coming out of downtown Honolulu, Hawaii with a 4-pill Mobile. Aloha. Hey, Thing, I can't wait too there, Thing. You got in my radio too. Hello, Thing. Hello, Thing. You got in my radio too there. Come on. Who that in Alabama? Who that in Alabama, man? I want to say good evening to Alabama. ModSquad right back in Honolulu. Bye, Thing. Bye, Thing. Bye, Thing. ModSquad, Honolulu. Catch you later, too. Aloha.